guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video I'll show you how you can make this beautiful and cute quilling flower using a comb. This is really easy and you can use in your projects. So yeah, let's get started. So the materials required for this are quilling strips, comb. If you can't find quilling strips, so link is in the description box, you can find from there as well. So now take a comb and take a quilling strip, make a loop, you can secure this loop with using glue or you can leave it like this. Now insert the loop into this comb, wrap the strip below and wrap it, then wrap the strip above. You have to do the same process till the end of this strip. And once you are done, so secure the remaining strips using glue. Now take this out gently from the comb and bend it like this. Now apply some glue on the top. Press it so that it gets stuck. Wait for some time. Yeah, it's done. I have here some more, and now I'll show you how to assemble a flower. Just take a petal, apply some glue on it and start assembling one by one. If you are interested to learn quilling flowers, so I have playlist. I'll give you the link in the description box, so please check that out. So this is ready. I have attached the stone in the mid of this flower and I think it really enhances this flower look. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Make sure that you hit the like button if you liked watching this video, and if you are new, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel for craft videos. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.